Using point cloud data to create accurate floor plans is an integral process, especially when building modeling also requires measurements of heights and levels. The point cloud is usually very complex, so as a first step it is worth making only a part of it visible. Here is a quick example of a vertical section cutting through a scan of a building. Filters allow you to cut user-definable slices through the point cloud. These slices are then viewed in frontal view. From here it is possible to measure the floor height from the scan data. Point cloud points can be reduced or enlarged. Set up a frontal view so you can more easily determine the exact height of the levels. Use the Adjust Floor Structure command to adjust the level of the floors to the point cloud. Click on the black arrow marker. By moving the point cloud, the given point is moved to level 0. Use the red arrow marker to change the height of the floor. Use the gray plus sign above the red arrow marker to add a new level. Use the red arrow again to adjust the height of the floor. If necessary, you can enter more precise values in the Edit Levels dialog box. At the end of the process, double-check the level structure before further work.